This can connect to both Apple and Huawei at the same time, while really the possibilities are wide open. One-click fast multi-platform ride-hailing. This is the Honor Magic V5, which is thin and light enough but does not compromise on specifications. I just finished watching Honor's launch event and I really want to say, V587, let me slowly explain to everyone how this AI foldable screen achieves both this, that, and more.
From 6 dimensions, I'll guide everyone to take a good look.
First, let's look at the accessories.
The V5 box includes a standard vegan leather protective case, which not only has a built-in phone stand, but also provides protection for the hinge part. Doesn't that feel quite good? Second, let's look at the appearance. This color is called Dawn Gold, with a black and gold gradient feel. The back has a texture similar to a star axis, and it is paired with an octagonal camera module. I personally feel it's quite businesslike, as it can make people instantly recognize, hey, this is the new model.
3. Look at the slimness.
The single side thickness is 4.1 millimeters, and this guy's body weight is as light as 217 grams. Let me ask you a question. Why do people pursue thin and light design? Is it for better feel in hand? However, feel in hand is not just about being thin and light. Pay attention to the transition at the hinge edge. It won't feel awkward in your hand.
The position of the power button is very reasonable. It's no longer up top, making it easy to reach.
When you first get the V5, you will easily notice that they have also optimized the hinge part. What does it mean? In the first 30%, the force you need to apply is very small, making it very easy to open. Friends who have used thin paper have definitely encountered this problem before, and now it's been solved by the Honor Magic V5. The back part has changed its damping. What's the purpose? It's to make it more stable when hovering. Guys, I'll shake it a bit. Feel it.
4. Let's look at the configuration. The Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 is very important for a large foldable.
What is the core benefit? It is the smoothness of the inner and outer screens, which can be very consistent. You won't feel that using this phone is only smooth on the outer screen and becomes laggy when the inner screen is open. Screen quality is of course also very important, so you'll see it has LTPO and full screen AOD. At the same time, regarding eye protection, there's no need to say more. When you hear Honor, you know there's no problem. Where? 3 cameras fitted with 3x optical periscope zoom, infrared, dual speakers, X-axis linear motor, 50-watt wireless fast charging. It has them all. The battery in the 1T version reaches 6,100 mAh, which is insane. This configuration is undoubtedly the king of foldable phones. 5. What are you looking at? Software innovation. What is an AI foldable smartphone? Now let's enter the Honor documents. Watch closely, everyone. One click to generate a PowerPoint. Wow, it's unbelievably convenient. Why didn't this feature exist when I was in college? And through QQ. One click to book a ride across platforms, with the phone choosing the faster option for you and automatically cancelling the slower one. What I really like is UU memory. Now everyone, please remember this 3-finger swipe gesture. You see, you can use this gesture to directly save images or web pages to UU memory. Quick view. On Douyin, with a 3-finger swipe down, you can also save this video to UU memory. Next time you open it, it automatically jumps back to this video, so it follows the same path as Douyin's favorites. Well, saving a travel guide is really convenient. It's not over yet. In video applications, with a 3-finger swipe, see, it can quickly record a 10-minute video for you to save. There is still an automatic saving function, where information like ID cards and phone numbers will be automatically saved into UU memory. Of course, regarding the use of large screens, Honor has also made updates in split screen functionality. Now, you can have 3 split screens, and you can adjust the size of these windows. You can even have UU quickly help you create split screens, which is quite practical. 6. What are we looking at? The ecosystem. I want to focus on 2 parts. First is the Honor Watch 5 Ultra. It's about health functions. People definitely notice it. What's important? The appearance. It's really good quality. I like it a lot. It's just that you think this thing is a perfect match with folding screens focusing on what? Business. The other one is Magic V5, which can connect with Huawei, Xiaomi, and Oppo. You see, this setup is truly like Emperor Qin Shi Huang.
How about it, everyone? By now you understand what we said at the beginning about V587, right?
From the 8 full-powered hardware configurations to the 8 craft breakthroughs, the 8 intelligent AI interactions combined with the 7 AI ecosystems, I really want to give it 8 big words. Folding Phone King, V587.